Well, here's another mystery. We've got a bunch of sawdust in the woods, so it's like, what's causing it? Well, it's got to come down from somewhere. Oh, here's another mystery. These kind of black marks. I saw that's another tree. Oh, maybe that's going to solve this mystery. Maybe it's, my first guess is a woodpecker. You know, it's like, what else is going to be chopping up the tree or causing sawdust? So, where is it coming from? I mean, it can't have fallen that far, so you would think it'd be from over here. So maybe here? Maybe in there, maybe. I don't know. You'd think it'd be more obvious. Oh, there we go. Looks like there's a couple of holes. I think that's where it's coming from. I'm guessing it's a woodpecker or some other sort of hole, or a bird made those holes. Oh, I wish we had a selfie stick I could look in the hole.